Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario on your PC. To begin, you'll need two main components, an emulator and a game ROM. An emulator is a software program that mimics a game console, allowing your computer to run games designed for that console. A ROM is a digital copy of the game itself, like a virtual cartridge. Once you understand the basics, your next step is to choose the right emulator. Different Super Mario games were released on various consoles, so select an emulator that matches your desired game's original platform. For example, Project 64 is a popular choice for Nintendo 64 titles. Always download emulators from trusted, official sources to ensure safety and proper functionality. With your emulator installed, you'll need to find the Super Mario game ROM. Many websites offer these files, but remember to only download ROMs for games you already own. Once downloaded, place the ROM file into a designated folder within your emulator's directory. Then, simply open the emulator and load the game through its menu. Finally, it's time to configure your controls and start playing. Most emulators allow you to map keyboard keys or a gamepad to the original console's buttons. Take a moment to adjust video and audio settings for the best experience. Don't forget to use the emulator's Save State feature to save your progress at any point, making your adventure much more convenient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.